looking for a fun cast on for your toe-up socks or tube scarf that you've always wanted to make? In this video, I will show you exactly how to make the Turkish cast on, and if you decide that you don't like this cast on, check out this tutorial of how to make the Judy's magic cast on. It is linked in the description box and at the top. I have been using this cast on for a lot of my toe-up socks recently, and I wanted to share it here with you so that you can also discover this fun and beautiful cast on. Let's get started. To do this cast on, I'll be using a 2.25mm fixed circular needle, which is 80 centimeters long. To begin the cast on, we are first going to make a slip knot, like that. Take your needles, put them parallel and put the slip knot on the top needle. Using your working yarn, you're going to wrap the yarn around both needles half as many times as you need stitches. So I'm going to cast on 20 stitches, so I'm going to wrap my yarn 10 times. Making sure to keep your working yarn tight, rotate your needles 180 degrees so that the needle's tips point to the right. Pull out the bottom needle and then knit the loops on your top needle. Pull your bottom needle back in. Rotate the needles 180 degrees again so that you can knit over the top needle again. The slip knot can now just be dropped off, and I like to just secure that tail in my left hand. Pull out the bottom needle and knit the top needle. Right. All of the stitches have now been worked one round, and when the front of the work is facing you, your cast on tail will be on the left side. To finish the Turkish cast on, we are going to knit another round. So pull out the bottom needle and knit the top. Turn and knit the top needle again. Right, so I've knitted 2 rounds, and the cast on is now in such a space that you can start doing the shaping for the toe. Please check out this video right here, which is the Judy's magic cast on, and let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite cast on for your toe-up socks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.